pressure is regulated and monitored by the electronic diesel control unit, which receives an electronic input from the pressure sensor. The sensor operates on 5 volts and provides a 0.5 to 4.5 volts linear amplified analog output proportional to pressure. The highly accurate and ruggedly designed sensor uses a thin film sense element which provides highly reliable and repeatable measurements. To test the pressure sensor electrical points, you need to prove the reference voltage coming from the ECM, the signal line, and sensor ground. First, disconnect the diesel injection pressure sensor. Turn the ignition switch on. Then using a multimeter probe on the sensor reference voltage, usually the red wire, and verify 5 volts. If not, then the ECM or wiring is at fault. Then, probe at the sensor ground, between battery positive and sensor ground, and using the multimeter. You should see battery voltage. This points to a good sensor ground. Last, reconnect the diesel injection pressure sensor, then probe at the signal wire. You should see about half a volt with key on. If not, then disconnect the sensor and the ECM connector. Using a test light connected to battery power, touch at the sensor connector's signal wire. On the meter, you should see battery voltage momentarily coming from the test light. This will prove out the signal wire. The diesel injection pressure sensor is a standard 5-volt reference component. Just prove your reference, ground, and signal lines.